What's up guys? So on today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a simple flyer design. We're going to be using our smartphone, so it's just going to be very easy, and I'll show you guys the steps on how you can be able to get started for yourself. So we're just going to delete this right now, and then we are just going to be using the image size of 4:5, like you guys know. So 4:5 is a standard way of creating a flyer design. So you can see it's already giving us our layout. So the first thing to do right now is to make everywhere black with our shape. So you can just make this black, take this here, and then log this on. So I'll save this and I'm going to log this. Then I can just import the robot image right now. So you can see this is the robot playful image. So I can just enlarge it. So we discover right now that we still have some black layers here, and that is what we are going to be doing right now. So this was already generated with AI. So if you need, or if you want to know how you can actually create images like this with AI, you just need to say it down there and I'm going to make a video on it. So without much talk or much ado, you can just create another rectangle here. Then we're going to be cutting, or will I say getting, the same color of this background to match with everything, so it looks like a normal table. Then you can take this to the back and check whether it matches. So when it's done like that, so you can just like make this a little big, like a little bit dark, or how do you say it, a little bit dark, to make it like a table. Then you can just like bring this down again. I don't know. Okay, I think this is good. Then you can just like lock this. Okay, then you can create another rectangle right now. Then reduce the radius, make it 15. Then I'm not going to raise this up right now. Then I'll just make this black. Reduce the radius. And I think this is good. So you can just like just take it up. And then let me just work on this here before I work on the background. You guys will see how everything will come out. I promise you that. You see how everything will come out. So we're just working on down below first before we move up to the background. So I'll just like add all the stickers here. So I'm looking for the one that everything is joined together. I think if you're okay, this is it. So I'll just raise this up right now. Use the crop tool. Then like reduce this very well. So I'll now make everything to have this like light green color. Light green color, something like this. Or I can just increase this. So if you check the color code right now, this is the color code B7FF02. You can like input the color code also. So I'll just log this right now. So I'm just going to name it our design here. So I'll just make this pop-ins. So So I cannot save this project right now, so I'm just going to save it as the 63, guys. So welcome to this 3 of today's tutorial, and this is the decision of our only this challenge. We're actually coming closer to an end of it, but even after doing the challenge, I promise you guys I'm going to be dropping content regularly, so you can see everything is set properly. So I'm just going to save it again. So I'm just going to write in build the design, and then I just need to make a black. So if you have seen something like this kind of template before, you guys will definitely know how the design will end and how I can get started with it, even without actually watching the video. So I don't think I'll just like, or maybe I'll just use Puppet regular. So Puppet regular is good. This is so I use this draw tool right now. So I'm not trying to get it. So you can see this, guys. So we're just looking like a playful, something like a playful text. So the dildo has to be something playful. So it depends on how you want to do it, guys. It depends on how you want to do it. You can just make it different. So you can just make it different. So I cannot write, maybe Pixellab should just give me their codes. I cannot use this. Maybe edit, repair, edit. Okay, something like this. Then I'm just going to like put this below. Then I'm just going to make a black text. Then I can just on my shadow. Exactly my shadow. Try to get the text. So right now I cannot reduce the opacity. So you can just give me something like a blur text. So you can just give me that. So I cannot like duplicate it and use for the upper bow. So just like there was a blur text and this one is actually shining up. So I can like change this to daily. So I'll be using regular for this. Then why is still shining up above? I just want to like create it and then I can save these changes. So that is it. So let me just import another grid lines. So this is like the same grid lines we used for the previous design. So I just removed another duplicate of that build your design. I just saw up above. I can like duplicate this. Or anyhow it's just going to be, so I don't think there's even need for duplicating it. So I'm just like going to draw this again. Then I can just like create another. I'm just draw everything to cover it. Can I raise this guy up? So I'll just take everything down. So you can see it's already giving us that field. Let me just reduce opacity. Duplicate this again. Take this down. Now duplicate this, take it down. So guys, I'm just going to lock this and then I'm going to save it again. So if you notice it right now, the design is getting done. So what you need to do now is just have your pen size and then increase your blur. So you just need to check it whether it's worth it. Use the same color. So you can use this color, you can see the color code. The same color code I'll be using. So like I don't want to increase it. So let me reduce the opacity right now. So I think this is good. So I can draw anything I want to draw right now. I can just draw anything I want to draw. So you don't need to worry about this. Rather to take it to 5%. Or let's just use 25%. I can just lock this and I cannot save the image. So now I'm going to write something right now. I'm putting turn your AI asset into art. So I'm using mascaras for this. I can just take this up again. So it depends on the font you actually use for it. That is what I can say. So let me just try to create something again. I don't need to take this to the last. So I'll just like use any Pixellab code. Then I give it an alignment. Then take it to overshadow that guy at the back. Okay. To be behind. So I'm now going to use maybe a regular font and the font. So let's just use regular. So the spacing, reduce it, let everything be together. From here, can just cut it. So just writing stay active. Then maybe duplicate this. I don't know whether it's rubbish I drew here or but we can use this for the design. Just press not too noticeable. Okay, I think it's somewhat good. I give it that kind of playful font. Then let me reduce opacity for the stay active also. Okay. So I think guys, we are coming up with something. So if you have actually benefited from this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, share this video. But you can also know that the resources are in the description box below, so you can just check it out. So I don't know if you guys are observing something right now. So AI has actually gone crazy. I just saw this right now. So you can see the reflection here of these things on his face here, so tell you that it's somehow real. So it's just so amazing. It's just so amazing. But let's just continue with the design. So I'm just going to use a sticker. So I can just use any sticker here. So it's asking me to use internet connection, which I don't want to. So let me just check any available sticker. Let me just use this. Then let me make this color. So I cannot save this. So what I'm going to write right now is the name of the company, which is designed with EA. That's the name of the YouTube channel. So I'll just make it poppins. Let me use the semi bold. I'm not going to use the hashtag. As you can see guys, so I'll just do the positioning there. So I think we are good to go. I can now save this. So guys, we're continuing this video. So if you're not better for the video, make sure that subscribe button, Like this video, share this video. Also know that the sources are down there in the description box below and comment section below, so do really check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay safe.